Hi, I'm Terry from All About Imports, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday. No, today's Tuesday Tech Tip. Sorry folks, it's a long day. Test drove this car because the customer was complaining of a squeak he had. But while I was test driving it, I heard a very loud clunk in the right rear. And upon checking it on my return, I realized that the right rear shock was blown. Also, when you bring your car in, please make sure that the wheel lock key is visible so that the mechanic does not have to go rummaging through your car to try to find out where it's located. Here is the shock absorber on the rear of the car. Now, on most cars, it is very easily visible. And as you can tell, you can see all the oil here. The shiny stuff is the oil that is running out of it. It is a pressurized unit which has oil and gas inside, and this one here, everything has leaked out of it. Most complaints are that the car does not feel the same way when I bought it the first time from new, and that's mostly to the shocks will normally wear and the suspension components will wear. It's for a 2004 S4 Audi.
Terry, I don't think this is a 2004. I think you're...
Oh, sorry. My bad. This is a 2010 car, not 2004.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
I think the internet would get mad at you if you tried to tell them that was a 2004.
So we have to remove the inner wheel well liners and then remove the screws, the mounting screws, and the lower mounting screw here. But also we will have to support the control arm, because once you take the shock off, everything's going to want to try to hang down because of the pressure from the spring. As the shock wears out, it gets worse and worse, and the tire does not make contact with the road evenly. You can see each and every thread goes, one goes up, one goes down, one goes up, one goes down. It's just like when you put the card in the spokes of your bicycle and you hear the noise. That's exactly what's happening here on the road. You hear the rolling song as you drive down the road.